What's up, guys? This is Wisdom from Legacy FX Forex Academy. Today, still on Australia NZD. Last week, I did analysis on Australia NZD last week. Then we are still looking at the market. Remember, we are waiting for market to come to us. All right, for you to be profitable in Forex market, you must have this understanding that the market must come to you. Now, if you are anticipating a certain level, that market, when market comes to that level, you look at your confirmation and all those things and take your trade, and you discover that market is not coming to that level, you don't need to fight the market. Remember, you must allow the market to play out what it uses. You always play out. So if it is not playing out what you know, you allow it to go. It shows that you are a profitable trader. One characteristics that are found in profitable traders is discipline. You understand? Discipline. Now, if you are disciplined, you are going to be a good trader in the long run. After studying, you must be disciplined. Without discipline, forget about it. All right. So now, last week I did this analysis on Australia NZD, which we are still waiting for it to play out. Understand? So when it plays out, we are going to make money from it. For now, we are still watching it, but I want to give you some deeper understanding of market itself. All right, deeper understanding. Most times you see market making lower high, lower high, lower high. You are just anticipating that's an uptrend. Fine, that's the general knowledge about uptrend market. Lower high, lower high. That's the general knowledge. But for you to understand why this market will be going up and coming down without anything, without anything obstructing it, you need to have some basic information. All right. So now, the amount of information that you have in your disposal determine how profitable you'll be. You understand? The amount of information that you have. So for you to be profitable, there are things you need to know about the market. Now, when you know all these things, when other retail traders are crying, complaining, you will not be complaining because you can see more than them. All right. Now, I am a swing trader. Swing trader are people that understand the four corners of the Forex market. They are able to see what scalpers could not see, what day trader could not see, what any other trader could not see. Swing traders are able to see them. All right. Now, on Australia NZD, we did analysis last week. We talked about price breaking structure. I drew a certain level that I'm expecting the market to retrace. I call it correction, where market must come to before I now look for a possible upward movement. All right. So we are still waiting for that. But let's look deeper. You understand? Now, looking at the market making lower high. Whenever the market is giving you consolidation on daily, what do you expect on higher time frame, on weekly time frame? You understand? That is when it means that you are not guessing. If you are guessing, you will not make money from Forex market. Now, the market is making lower high. Now, we got to a point that we had consolidation. After consolidation, we now had what we call break of structure. We had consolidation, we had break of structure. All right, we had consolidation, we had break of structure. Now, when the market gives you this consolidation, what does it print in a higher time frame? All right, that is what we are looking at today. What is it printing in higher time frame? All right, when you see me drop this line here, that is my verified support. That is my verified support. That is my verified support. Let me try to draw it again. Okay. That is my verified support. What's the matter now? Well, let me use this other one here. So that's my, where you see the line there, that is my verified support. Now the question is, there's what we call FVG. FVG in Forex market. You can call it fair value gap. You understand now? Now, whenever the market is giving you consolidation on daily time frame, okay, if market is giving you consolidation on 4 hours, you should understand that that fair value gap should be printed in daily time frame. You understand now? Where it's printed where? In daily time frame. So you have consolidation, break of structure on 4 hours, you should be having fair value gap on the higher time frame. Now we have consolidation and breakout on daily time frame. Do you understand what I mean now? Now we should be having fair value gap on weekly time frame. All right. Now that fair value gap is what we are expecting. Remember, okay, let's say what is fair value gap? Yes, fair value gap we say is it signals an imbalance in price caused by aggression, buying or selling. Is a signal in imbalance. It signal an imbalance in price caused by who? By seller aggression, buying or selling. Which means when the market is buying up, it gives you consolidation and break of structure. That's aggressive buying. That's aggressive buying. Do you understand? Aggressive buying. So that is when you are going to see that when the market is giving you that consolidation and break of structure are going to move upward above the consolidation. It is FVG that is creating in weekly time frame, higher time frame. You understand now? Now that is the FVG we are waiting for market to have a reversal to come and tap into. All right. Now that imbalance becomes liquidity zone. Guys, I believe you understand. I am giving you this is volume 1. So I'm giving you top secret. So that FVG now that the market has created in higher time frame becomes a liquidity zone, which it is important that price must come back to tap into it for a continuation. So now you see that weekly time frame FVG forms, daily time frame we must have consolidation. So consolidation must be in daily time frame, while higher time frame must have fair value gap. That fair value gap, that is in the imbalance that price must come and tap into it. That is where liquidity